Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and tonight I want to talk a little bit about our live stream. We're going to be having a live stream tonight with micro homesteaders. You can go into my featured channels list on my homepage and you'll see his channel right there. Come and join us tonight. We're going to be talking about politics, we're going to talk about religion, we're going to talk about homesteading, and a bunch of other stuff that pops up in the chat. It's going to be like an open forum. I got some things I got to get off my chest, but other than that, it's pretty much an open thing. It's not just for religion, guys. It's also going to be a lot about homesteading. We're going to be talking about insecticides, pesticides, fungicides, weed killer, and how it's affecting you and the water that you're drinking. So come and join us tonight. It's at 7 p.m. Central Time, and it's going to be on Micro Homesteaders channel. So hope to see everybody there. I hope you can come and join us. It's going to be a lot of people that are going to be. Oh, look at what I got. My Brahmas. Aren't they cool? The big one over there, that's our new rooster. Our Brahmas and our Jersey Giants. But anyway, guys, yeah, we're going to be having our live stream. I hope you can come and join us, 7 p.m. Central Time. Micro Homesteaders channel. Oop, I'm covering the camera. Hope to see you guys there. Y'all take care. God bless. And see you tonight.